Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Let's see what's in the package today. Quite excited. Here we go. So first off, looks like the box is pretty wrecked to begin with. Alright. Can't even get it out of the packaging. Fantastic. So, this is what I got here. It is supposed to be a really cool camera that also goes underwater, and it looks a lot bigger than I expected, since I've been quite used to some of the smaller ones. So thanks for watching. In the next one I will unbox this part too. Thanks.